All right, so let's go ahead and look at the next sort of problem that we could have. So you might remember these from Calc 1. We math teachers, we love this sort of question. So let's let W of ST be some function of U and V, where U is some function of S and T, and V is also a function of S and T. Okay? So now we're going to assume that U of 1 comma 0 is 2, U sub S of 1 comma 0 is negative 2. Remember, this means that that's the derivative of U with respect to S. Okay. V of 1, 0 is 3. V sub S of 1, 0 is 5. Okay. U sub T of 1, 0 is 6. V sub T of 1, 0 is 4. Okay. Got a lot of it here. F sub U of 2 comma 3 is negative 1. F sub V of 2 comma 3 is 10. So they're going to ask us, find W sub S of 1, 0 and W sub T of 1 comma 0. Okay, so now when we think about 1 comma 0, here this is the S and T values. Okay, so let's make that clear. Okay, because our W is sort of framed as a function of S and T, whereas F is framed as a function of U and V. Okay, so what are we going to have? We're going to have, well, when S is 1 and T is 0, U equals 2 and V equals 3. So that's giving us sort of, okay, let's write it this way. Partial with respect to S equals partial with respect to S with, partial of F with respect to U times partial of U with respect to S plus partial F with respect to V times partial V with respect to S. Okay. And now it's just going to be a matter of putting those numbers in. Okay. When does this happen? Well, of course, it happens when U equals when U equals 2 and V equals 3. Okay. So that's going to be this number. Let me write it down what it is. That's going to be Fu of 2, 3. F me, F you. Sorry, couldn't resist that one. U sub S, or partial of U with respect to S, is going to be, well, let me write it down. Well, that one's already, we already know. So that one's going to be negative 2 plus F sub V times partial of V with respect to S is 5. Okay, so Fu of 2, 3, sorry, is negative 1 times negative 2 plus 10 times 5. And we end up getting, what, 50 minus 50 plus 2, 52. Okay, We're gonna do the same thing here. I'm not gonna do it. I think you guys can handle it. And I want you guys to practice, but test yourself. Give yourself 5 seconds. I'll give you 5 seconds. Pause the video. Okay, and we get 54 when we do the same thing with the other ones, okay? Test yourself, make sure you get it, okay? All right, just double checking. Yep, it looks like it's 54. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.